draw basic shapes in Illustrator now. Go over to your shape tool, click on it, and make sure you start with the rectangular tool. We're going to make a rectangle. Okay, so here, I want to make sure that my Windows panel is open. So Windows and my Properties panel is open. Sorry. Make sure Properties is open and come over here. Right now my fill is empty. I don't want that. I want my fill to have a color, and I want my stroke to be empty. Okay, so there, I've got my rectangle. Then we'll do square next. You know, hit shift. Each time I want you to change the fill color. Okay, you know how to do a circle and an oval. You can continue on with those. All right, then I'll get to 5-sided polygon and 8-sided polygon. I want to do the 8-sided star. Same thing, click on star, right click. So right now I have it at, it is at 8, so I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to hit shift to bring it in, and I'm also going to change the color of this. Each one I want it a different color. Okay, well, for the polygon, you select polygon and you switch it to 5. So here, we're going to go back to polygon tool. I want a 3-sided polygon. What's a 3-sided polygon? A triangle. Right click. Okay, it's memorized what I've done because I've already done this before. So it's at 3. Okay, I'm hitting OK. I'm going to open this up so you can see this better. Okay, I need the corners to be 0.2 inches. So I'm going to find the circle and see my curve on the bottom, and I'm going to take it down until it says 0.2. There it is, 0.2, done. Okay, again, I don't want the same color. Use all your different colors. Okay, for the 8-sided star, of course, I'm going to click on the star tool. Okay, I'm going to right click. It's already memorized it. The first radius is 1.5, the second radius is 2.5, and it's 8, and it pops up, and it's like that. Again, I want a different color on there, so maybe I'll do green. I'm actually going to bring this down. Okay, so hit shift and bring it in and fit it in there. Okay, you could do that. Here I square where it's the top right is round and the left corners are round. So I'm going to select my square or rectangle, hit shift. Okay, now you want to do the direct select tool. Okay, so click on direct select tool, double click. If this comes up, hit escape and drag only one side down. If you don't double click, the whole thing is going to drag in. Okay, so you do have to click on it to drag just one side in. Sorry, not double click, just click once on it. Okay, for Pac-Man, great new feature. We've got our ellipse tool. Okay, hit shift to make your nice circle. We're going to make a Pac-Man color. Let's make it a yellow. Okay, then this little circle on the outside, it's making it into a pie shape. There's my Pac-Man. I'm gonna rotate him. Done. Okay, there's another you can do the shape tool and work through it that way, but since it's a new option, it's great. Okay, you can work through number 2 just fine. For this one, for number 2, the strawberry, I've already created the 3 circles. Okay, actually, I'm going to delete that. Okay, so of course, you're going to make 3 circles. You're going to copy paste, and then you'll have 3 of them. You can move them over. Can't grab that one. Grab it. Okay. Then, okay, so you've got your 3. You can select all 3. You could take remember your shape builder tool. You can click on your shape builder tool and merge the 3 of them. Oops, I missed a spot. Okay. Merge all 3. Okay. And then You can start creating this and put it on top. Remember to arrange. Okay, so we're going over here to the stroke. I've already made a line. You know how to make a line, okay? Line segment tool, click and click. Click and drag, hit shift to make a nice straight line. Here, over here in your properties panel, which should be open, Windows property panel, okay? You've got your stroke size. You can change this to, I think I'm gonna do 5. Oops, okay, so right now let me make sure my stroke is black. Okay, your fill's off, your stroke is on, okay? There's my line. I am going to take my line and just copy and paste it and put it over here, okay? We're gonna click on the word stroke. This pops up, it says dashed lines. Click on that and you have your nice dashed lines, okay? I'm gonna go over here and paste again that same line. I want my arrowheads, so here it is down here, strokes, and it says arrowheads. The front, I said number 3. The back of it, I said number 18. There's so many different options, it's great, okay? You can even take this and I have a stroke at 5 right now. Well, maybe I want it thinner, so I can change it to 3. Profile width. All right, so again, I'm going to paste that same line, drag it over here. We're going back to stroke, and it says profile. Right now it's uniform, but I said the third one down, which is, so uniform is 1, 2, 3. It's this one, okay? Again, you can change the stroke to, or the size to make it bigger or smaller, okay? Now I'm going to copy and paste, oops. I'm going to copy that one, and I'm going to paste that one over here in with my gradients, okay? So you click on the actual box that's the stroke, all right? My gradient box is already up. It's yellow, green, and orange and yellow. Okay, you can also, there's gradient options, so you can make, this one is great if you have something circular. It radiates from the center out. This one radiates on a diagonal. Okay, lots of options there. Okay, so, oops. Now, let's do the, width profiles, okay? So, again, I'm gonna take the same one. No, I'm just gonna, that's all right. No, I don't want that one. I want this one. I'm gonna paste this one so you can see. Now, we are going to switch it to the 5th one down, and then I want to have patterns on it. So again, we're going into that stroke, that square part. I already have a bunch of patterns up, but there's something here that is called the swatch library menu, and you click on it, and you click on patterns. You can do graphic dots, lines, textures, whatever you want. They pop up. And then you can click on them. Make sure over here that your stroke is first. And this needs to be blank. My fill needs to be empty. It should be my stroke first. Make sure your stroke is first. Okay. So here, you can click on all these different type of pattern ones. Okay, there's tons. All right, that's one. You do patterns. You could do, back to my swatch. Patterns, you can do decorative things. Okay, so you can click on any of these decorative sort of designs. Okay, and there's also, the last one is, nature inspired stuff, okay, like foliage. Let's see, okay, just so you get an idea. You can combine all those to do this one. And the width tool, which I haven't gone over yet. Okay, so first I'm going to grab my curvature pen tool. Okay, And I'm asking you to make a curvy, swervy line, okay? Then I'm asking you to do the stroke at 4 point. Okay, make it thicker. Now, on your panel, there is this, it looks like, I mean, it's called the whiff tool. It kind of looks like a flower, I would say. Click on that. Find one of your anchor points, pull them out. Then you can see, oh, those are, what are those? Cottontails, I think those are called. I forget what those are called. So that was the nature inspired pattern. Here, you can do a dashed circle, you could do the flower, and you could do the Cookie Monster on your own. And that is all. Thanks for watching.